Hey, what's happening? And welcome to Yoga with Rachel. And I have exciting news to share with you. I have decided to launch a membership right here on YouTube, so that way you do not even need to leave the platform in order to join. One of the main reasons as to why I created Yoga with Rachel was to create a community of wonderful souls like yourself, where we could connect, share stories, our wins, struggles, setbacks, goals, and so forth. So I feel that this membership is a really great way in which we can deepen that connection with one another. At the moment, this membership has 2 tiers that you can choose from. The first tier is $1.99 per month. With this tier, you will get a badge beside your name whenever you leave a comment on the channel, and this badge will change to reflect how long you have been a member for. You will also get to use 4 custom emojis that I have created, and one of the emojis is Miss Angel, right on cue, as she makes some guest appearances in our classes from time to time. You will also have access to the Members Only Community tab. This is where I will take video requests, post pictures, post behind the scenes footage, and get your feedback, and so on. So this tier is a really great way in which you can support me and this channel. You can think about it as buying me a delicious cup of green tea once every single month. And for that, I am truly grateful. The second tier is $4.99 per month, so you get all the perks from the first tier, plus more. For this tier, you get 1 members-only class every single month, and the classes will be between 20 to 60 minutes in length, so some of the classes will be longer than some of the free content that you see on the Yoga with Rachel channel. In addition to this, there will be 1 bonus video released every single month, and this video could be bloopers, behind-the-scenes footage, wellness chats, as well as healthy recipes. It is important to note that I may add more perks or more tiers as time goes on, but as of right now, this is what the membership looks like. So you do not need to leave YouTube in order to access the members-only content, as I will create a playlist that is easy for you to find right here on the channel. So let's get into how to join the membership. On desktop, you should see a blue join button on the home page of my channel right beside the subscribe button. If you are unable to see the join button, it could be due to the device that you are using, as it's not available on all devices, and it's also not available in all countries. Fingers crossed that that will change very soon. So just in case you cannot find this button, I have included the link to join the membership in the comments as well as in the description box below this video. When you click on the join button, you have 2 options. Tier 1, which is $1.99 per month, or Tier 2 at $4.99 per month. You will see what each tier offers in the description. I would also like to note that nothing is going to change on the channel, as you will still receive 1 free yoga class every single week. Whether you decide to become a member or not, it is all good. Know that I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. The money from the membership will go directly towards improving the quality of our yoga classes, so this may mean equipment upgrades as well as professional development courses. I am so excited about this offering, and I hope that you join me. Thank you so very much for listening to this. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Namaste.